welcome to South African Homesteader. I'm Haria, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about the growth of my cucumber plants and my tomato plants. So just a little update. I'm going to switch the camera around, and then I can show you what I'm talking about. It's just about how this is the first time that I've ever grown cucumbers, and I have harvested one, and then we've had some that weren't, because there aren't a lot of bees here to fertilize them. So the ones that we are seeing are ones that I have hand pollinated. In other words, I have taken a little paintbrush, and I will tell you a little bit more about that now. So on this plant I have two cucumbers, one there and one there, and then those are almost ready to be picked. And then I've got one here. Now this one has definitely been pollinated, you can see, because it's growing. And then we have these little female, well, I don't see any female flowers here, but you'll see the female flowers almost have like these are male flowers. The ones that has just a stalk, those are male flowers. Let me just see on this side, I might have a female flower. Let's see if there's any female flowers here. But the thing with a female flower is you'll be able, here's another nice one. This one is actually ready to be picked. But the female flower, you will see, doesn't at all look like this. The female flower actually has a little cucumber behind it, and once it gets pollinated, then it grows bigger, 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 until it's big like that. So the only thing I do is I take a little paintbrush inside of these male flowers. Inside of these male flowers there, you'll see the pollen in there, and I go with a paintbrush, and I basically, because it's male and female, you look for the female flowers, which is, it's just a pity that I don't see any female flowers on here right now. Then I could have shown you. But I go to the female flower and I just brush it on the inside of the female flower, and in that way we pollinate. I actually had some female flowers, but I think it may have fallen off because I haven't been out here to come and hand pollinate. Also, I wanted to speak a little bit about my tomato plants, just to show you an update on these. Oh, and there I see my, just to cut my words short, I see here, this is my eggplant. I have two eggplants, but I see here's a little, there's a little eggplant flower. So hopefully that will grow into an eggplant, but I'll update you the next time we chat. There are quite a few now tomato plants, they actually have the female and male parts on one plant, and not just on one plant, they have it in the same flower. So what you can do to pollinate is, if there's no breeze or no wind or no bees, all you do is you shake your plant like that, and in that way you will be pollinating your female organs of the flower, which will then develop into these little teeny weeny tomatoes. I have quite a lot of tomato plants, and remember, this is my experimental garden. I have some on the side as well. So just to turn you back to me, so this is actually my experimental garden, and because as I've said before, we are actually moving to a small holding where we will be growing things organically, and these tomatoes aren't necessarily, like I said also before, that these were just tomatoes that I have put into the ground and watched them go up, transplanted them, and then just to see how to care for them, to teach myself to care for them. I have, however, ordered about 5 different varieties, 5, 6, 7 I think, for when I actually do the actual growing of my veggies. So I've ordered some black Krim tomatoes, I've ordered some Oxheart, I think I've ordered some banana leg tomatoes, So you get all different varieties, and then you obviously you get the heirloom variety, and you get the F1 hybrids. You get your and then you just get your cross-pollinated ones, which are many of the types that just pops up in your garden sometimes. But I will be doing a more obviously more detailed videos going forward. But this one for now was just an update. And just before I go, I just want to show you guys, we have some beautiful chilies growing on these chili pepper plants. So it's huge. I'm actually going to harvest them tomorrow, but I just want to show you guys. So here they are, and they're just popping up everywhere. They are so full of flowers. And these small one there, I have them coming up all over. Another big one here. Actually, you can't. I think you can see it there. Another one over here, and yeah, they're just popping up everywhere. So what we'll be doing is, yeah, these are the pumpkin and the gem squash, and then I've got some red cabbage, which is starting to form heads. Oh no, there's a thing inside there. I need to take it out because it's eating my red cabbage. A hairy worm. And then here is a cabbage which is also forming a head. Head is also forming there. So yes, we will be updating soon, and I hope you found this interesting. This will be a learning curve, not just for myself, but also whatever I will be learning, I will be hoping to share with all my viewers. So till next time.